Make a great choice today with the 2021 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, premium wheels, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, power brakes, power sunroof, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.